Hello, today I'll show you how to make fish in Scratch. As you can see, these are fish, and they swim around randomly, and sometimes having bubbles. So let's get started. First, delete the cat and paint a sprite. Name it Fish. Now, use the box tool. Then use the reshape tool. Click here and here, delete these points, make them or adjust these points, then do this, and actually add 2 points here. For the fins, make them pointed, and try to reshape into a fish shape, like this. Then, make it any color you would like this. And now, use the circle tool, make sure the fill is white, press shift and create an eye. Duplicate it, make it smaller, and make the fill black. Now, use the line tool, create a line, make it a good size, and use the reshape tool to create a curve, like this. Now, for the gills, use the line tool, create a line, and use the reshape tool. And now you have a fish. Now, with this fish, also place it in the center and make it a bit smaller. And make the outline a bit smaller. Now name this Fish. Now duplicate it, and this is for the moving animation. Use the reshape tool, move. Now select the 2 points of the tail, move it like this, duplicate it one more time, and this time more like this. Then it should have a swimming animation. And now, with this fish, when green flag is clicked, hide, set size to 100, then create a variable called speed for this sprite only, and direction also for this sprite only. Now a problem will occur if we rotate it to negative. As you can see, it will be upside down. So in costumes, we duplicate fish 2 and fish 3, rename to fish left 2, and fish left 3, and these will be fish right. And now in fish left, flip vertically for all of them, like this. Then it will be upright. And for it to constantly switch, we check if direction is greater than 0. And we switch costume to fish right or fish left. And as you can see, it will always stay upright. Now with this, when green flag is clicked, set direction and set speed to 0. Then go to 0, 0 and point in direction 90. Now repeat 10 and create a clone of myself. Now when I start as a clone, show, then set size to pick random 50 to 120, then create 2 new variables called speed value for the sprite only, or direction value also for the sprite only. Now set direction value to pick random 0 to 360 and set direction to their value and set speed value to pick random 0 to 3. Now forever point in direction, then for direction change direction by, and then do a change or divide and direction here, direction value subtract by direction divided by 10. Then change speed by speed value and set speed to speed times 0.8. Now for the movement, if pick random 1 to 25 equals 1, then set speed value to pick random 1 to 0 to 1 times pick random 1 to 2. Then change direction by pick random -45 to 45. Now with this, now for the switching costumes or the swimming animation, if else direction is greater than 0, then switch costume to, then put in a +1, then now we do mod timer times speed mod 2 and then we round and +1. Now we duplicate this, and down here we +4. So it offsets to the left instead of the right. And if we test this, as you can see, they will have a swimming animation. And now move by speed. And as you can see, they will move. Now, if touching edge, change direction or their value by 5 and set speed to 5. So then if it changes or actually touches the edge, it won't get, the fish won't be stuck on the edge. And as you can see, it works pretty well. Now, with this, for the bubbles, paint a new sprite, or actually costume, named Bubbles. Then duplicate one of the fish here as a reference. Then use the circle tool, make the outline a good size, and make the fill a nice light blue color and the outline a darker blue color, like that. And adjust the size if needed, and then use the line tool to add in a shiny detail, and use this tool or reshape tool to make the shine curved and position it about where the mouth is, and then delete it. And now, with a random chance, if pick random 1 to 200 equals 1, then create a new variable called ID for this sprite only. Then we can tell apart if the clone is a fish or a bubble. And up here, set ID to F for fish. And now, switch ID to B, create a clone of myself, and then switch ID back to J, like that. And now, add in an if-else around this, but leave the show. And now, if ID equals F, make sure that that's F for fish. If ID equals F, then it'll do the fish stuff. Else, switch costume to Bubbles. Then repeat 50 times. And change X by, pick random, -1 to 1. Then change Y by size divided by 30. And lastly, change ghost by 2. And delete this clone. And now, as you can see, with a random chance, some fish will spit out bubbles. And the fish don't act as bubbles because of the ID. And now, lastly, for a final touch, paint a new sprite called Screen. Use the box tool, cover the whole screen, make it a bluish color, like this. Then, when green flag is clicked, show, set size to 100, go to 0, and then set ghost to 80 to create that underwater feel. But if you stop, and if you don't want this blue screen, then instead, when green flag is clicked, hide, create a clone of myself, and when I start as a clone, then this will happen. So it has the same screen, but if you stop, everything disappears. And now, as you can see, you have fish in Scratch. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.